I ran into my old classmate at the coffee shop last week. He dropped out of college 2 years ago, and I thought he was struggling. But he pulls up in a nice car and he's wearing expensive clothes. I asked him what happened, and he said he learned one skill that changed everything. Now he makes more than most people with degrees. That got me thinking. We spend years in school learning things we'll never use, but nobody teaches us the skills that actually make money. So I did some digging and found 5 skills that beginners can learn fast and start making serious income with. These aren't hard. You don't need years of practice. You just need to start. Let me show you. The first one is copywriting, which is just writing words that make people buy stuff. When you see an ad online and you actually click it or buy something, that's because someone wrote those words really well. That's copywriting. You're writing to sell things. Now you might think, I'm not a writer, I can't do this. Wrong. You don't need to write like Shakespeare. You just need to understand what makes people say yes instead of no, what makes them click instead of scroll past. Every single business needs this. The local pizza place needs someone to write their Facebook ads. The guy selling workout programs needs someone to write emails to his customers. The startup launching a new app needs someone to write the words on their website. Good copywriters make anywhere from $50 to $200 per hour. Some charge even more once they get really good at it. You can start learning this for free on YouTube. There are channels that break down exactly what works and what doesn't. You practice by rewriting bad ads you see online. You study the ads that made you buy something and figure out why they worked. After a few weeks of practice, you can start reaching out to small businesses and offer to write their ads for cheap just to build experience. Once you have a few clients who made money from your writing, you can charge more. Within 6 months, people are making $3,000 to $5,000 monthly doing this part-time. You work from your laptop, set your own hours, and help businesses make more money so they're happy to pay you. The second one is video editing, and it's way easier than you think. Every creator on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok needs someone to edit their videos. They're making content every day, but editing takes forever. They'd rather pay someone to do it so they can focus on making more videos. You don't need fancy, expensive software. You can start with CapCut, which is completely free and works on your phone or computer, or DaVinci Resolve, which is also free and has way more features if you want to get serious. I learned basic video editing in 2 weeks just watching YouTube tutorials. Cut clips together, add some text on screen, throw in some background music, make the colors look nice. That's basically it. You're not making Hollywood movies here. You can charge $50 to $300 per video, depending on how long it is and how much work it needs. A lot of creators need someone to edit 3 to 5 videos every week. Get one client who needs weekly videos and you're making $600 to $1,500 monthly from just that one person. Find clients by reaching out to small YouTubers or TikTokers who are growing, but still editing their own videos. Offer to edit one video for free or super cheap to show them what you can do. If they like it, they'll hire you for more. The third one is running ads for businesses, and businesses will throw money at you for this. Every business wants more customers. They know ads work, but most business owners have no idea how to actually run ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google. They try it themselves, waste a bunch of money, and give up. That's where you come in. You learn how to run ads that actually work. You help businesses spend their money the smart way so they get customers instead of just burning cash. You can learn this for free. Facebook and Google have free courses that teach you exactly how their ad platforms work. You watch the tutorials, you practice with small budgets, you figure out what gets results. Start by offering to run ads for a local business for cheap or even free at first. A gym, a restaurant, a hair salon, anyone. You run a small test campaign for them. If it works and they get new customers, they'll pay you to keep doing it. Most businesses pay ad managers $500 to $2,000 per month per client. Get 3 clients and you're making $1,500 to $6,000 monthly. Some people charge a percentage of the ad spend too, so if you're managing bigger budgets, you make even more. The fourth one is web design using simple tools that do most of the work for you. Every business needs a website. Your uncle's plumbing company needs one. Your neighbor's bakery needs one. That new gym opening downtown needs one. But most small businesses either have a terrible website or no website at all, because hiring a real web developer costs thousands of dollars. You don't need to learn actual coding. You can use tools like WordPress, Wix, or Webflow that let you build websites by just dragging and dropping things around. It's like building with Legos. You pick a template, change the colors and text, add some photos, and boom, you have a website. I built my first practice website in one weekend just following a YouTube tutorial. It wasn't perfect, but it looked professional enough. You practice by building fake websites for pretend businesses. A coffee shop, a fitness trainer, a photographer, just to get comfortable with how it works. Once you can build a decent-looking website, you reach out to local businesses who either don't have a website or have one that looks like it's from 2005. Offer to build them a new one for $500 to $3,000 depending on how big and complex it is. Some businesses also need their website updated or maintained every month. You can charge them $100 to $500 monthly just to make small updates and keep things running smoothly. Get 5 clients on monthly maintenance, and that's $500 to $2,500 coming in every month for just a few hours of work. The fifth one is social media management for businesses that are too busy to post. Business owners are busy running their actual business. They know they should be posting on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, but they just don't have time. They post once a month, their accounts look dead, and they're losing customers to competitors who are more active online. You become their social media manager. You create posts for them, schedule them to go out every few days, respond to comments, and basically keep their social media alive and active. This doesn't require any special degree or certification. You just need to understand what kind of content works on different platforms. You watch what successful accounts in their industry are doing. You copy what works and avoid what doesn't. You can manage this for $300 to $1,500 per month per business depending on how many platforms you're handling and how many posts they want. Get 4 or 5 clients and you're looking at $1,200 to $7,500 monthly. The work is pretty chill too. You batch create a bunch of posts in one sitting, schedule them all out using free tools like Meta Business Suite, and then just check in daily to respond to comments. Most of the work happens in a few hours, once or twice a week. Start by offering this to local businesses you actually like. A cool clothing store, a nice restaurant, a gym you go to. Show them examples of what you'd post for them. If they like it, they'll hire you. Pick one and start this week. You don't need to learn all 5. Pick the one that sounds most interesting to you and focus on that. Spend the next month learning it and practicing, then start reaching out to potential clients. If this video gives you a clear path to making more money this year, hit that like button, comment which skill you're learning first, and subscribe because I'm dropping more ways to increase your income every single week.